Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best snap-on toolbox is probably one of the most coveted pieces of equipment in any mechanic's arsenal, representing a significant investment in organization, durability, and professional pride. And today we're diving deep into what makes these iconic tool storage solutions stand out from the competition and whether they truly live up to their legendary reputation for those who demand the absolute best for their workshop. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree.3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree.3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to transform your hair from the inside out. In just 3 minutes, experience immediate repair of hair damage. It works quickly to restore your hair's health and vitality. Achieve noticeably softer and stronger hair with every use. It revitalizes your strands, leaving them feeling incredibly smooth and resilient. Whether you have coily, curly, straight, or wavy hair, this treatment is perfect for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. Simply apply it as a pre-shampoo treatment for maximum effectiveness. It prepares your hair for a gentle cleanse while delivering intense nourishment. See and feel the difference after just one use. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for healthier-looking locks. What we like. This product offers immediate repair for damaged hair, making it softer and stronger. If you're looking for a quick fix to revitalize your locks after chemical treatments or heat styling, this is a great option. It works for all hair types, from coily to straight, making it a versatile choice for anyone seeking healthier hair. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and hold a lot of weight. The build quality is excellent, very sturdy, and well made. The locking mechanism is secure and keeps everything safe. Number 4. DEWALT 168-piece Mechanic Tool Set, DWMT73803. Introducing the DEWALT 168-piece Mechanic Tool Set, designed for precision and durability on any job. Experience superior performance with direct torque technology, helping to prevent fastener rounding for a secure grip every time. Navigate confined areas with ease thanks to the 72 tooth count ratchets, offering a 5-degree arc swing for exceptional control. Designed for extended use, the anti-slip driver handle ensures maximum comfort during long workdays. Keep your tools safe and secure in tough conditions with the durable case, featuring robust metal latches for added protection. Tackle demanding jobs with confidence, as its full polish chrome finish provides excellent corrosion resistance. Find the exact tool you need quickly with clear, hand-stamped markings for easy identification. What we like. This is a comprehensive 168-piece mechanic tool set designed for precision and durability. Its direct torque technology helps prevent fastener rounding, and the full polish chrome finish resists corrosion. If you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who needs a wide array of reliable tools for complex jobs, this set offers excellent value and performance. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and have a good weight capacity. The build quality is excellent, very sturdy and durable. The locking mechanism is secure and keeps tools safe. Number 3. Ryker Heavy-Duty Motorcycle Tool Roll Bag. Introducing the Ryker Roll-Up Tool Bag, the perfect gift for dad. This heavy-duty organizer is designed for your motorcycle and keeps all your tools secure. Don't let its compact size fool you. You'd be surprised by how many tools fit inside this versatile roll-up bag. Simply place your tools inside and roll it up. It features 4 large compartments and 2 detachable pouches with D-loops, a unique feature for a mechanic's tool bag. This design ensures convenient storage and easy transport. Keep your tools and accessories organized and carry them with ease. You can hang it in your garage or workshop, or take it with you as a mechanic's bag. Crafted from heavy-duty, premium materials, this tool bag is as strong as canvas. It's built to keep your tools safe, even in extreme work conditions. This tool wrap is a perfect gift for any man. It can be used as a motorcycle tool roll, an emergency kit, or a handy mechanic's bag for the road. Buy with confidence. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Never worry about the quality of your new tool bag, your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This tool roll organizer offers a unique roll-up design with detachable pouches for ultimate portability and organization. Made from heavy-duty materials, it's built to withstand tough conditions. If you're a mechanic, electrician, or motorcycle enthusiast who needs a compact and organized way to carry essential tools on the go, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly and have a good weight capacity. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to use. The build quality is excellent, very sturdy and durable. Number 2. Apollo Tools 14-inch Steel Toolbox DT5010P. Introducing the Apollo Tools 14-inch Steel Toolbox. It's the perfect solution for all your DIY storage, transport, and organization needs. This toolbox features a sleek design with a durable powder-coated finish. It looks great in any space, from your garage to your bedroom. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a comfortable handle, it's built for durability and easy transport. You can rely on it for years to come. With ample drawers and a deep top compartment, it offers maximum organization and flexibility. The drawers open smoothly for convenient access. By purchasing this toolbox, you're supporting a great cause. Apollo Tools donates 75 cents from each purchase to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. What we like. This is a robust steel toolbox featuring smooth ball-bearing drawer slides and a deep top compartment for ample storage. Its stylish powder-coated finish and comfortable handle make it both functional and attractive. If you appreciate a durable, well-organized tool storage solution and want to support a good cause, this pink ribbon edition is a fantastic choice. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and hold a lot of weight. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to use. The build quality is excellent, very sturdy and durable. Number 1. POKIPO 49W Large Power Tool Organizer. Introducing our extra-wide, large-capacity power tool organizer. It features 4 independent compartments and side holders for wrenches and screwdrivers, keeping all your tools within easy reach and saving valuable space. Built with high-strength industrial-grade metal and a robust welded design, this storage rack offers exceptional stability and durability. It can easily support up to 800 pounds of heavy tools and equipment. Assembly is a breeze with its multi-layer independent panel structure and side-hanging racks. You can securely mount it to your wall in just 10 minutes, saving you time and effort. This organizer is compatible with standard 16-inch wall post spacing and can be securely installed on various wall surfaces like wood, plywood, or drywall. It's perfect for garages, workshops, or storage rooms. Whether for a professional, a hobbyist, or anyone looking to upgrade their space, this durable and space-saving organizer is an ideal gift. It's perfect for men, fathers, and husbands who appreciate quality and efficiency. What we like. This extra-wide, 49-inch wall-mounted power tool organizer boasts an impressive 800 pounds load capacity and can hold up to 12 cordless drills. It's designed to maximize garage space and keep all your tools easily accessible. If you have a large collection of power tools and batteries and are looking to declutter your workshop or garage for maximum efficiency, this heavy-duty rack is the perfect solution. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and have a good weight capacity. The build quality is excellent, very sturdy and durable. The organization system is well designed, making it easy to find tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.